Hello, beautiful. We are going to play with warm makeup colors. Again, another eye makeup look. Lisa DeLigori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, and a smaller, more personal, clean beauty brand, which you all know, right? All right, I'm going to swatch the colors for you. Let's take a look and see what we've got. First, Teal Mineral Eyeliner. If you have not used our eyeliners yet, you really need to give them a try. Where's my tissue? Because they are highly pigmented and they stay where you put them. And they can be worn as eyeshadow, but they don't have as much slip, which makes them better eyeliners. So really take a look at that category on the Simple Beauty Minerals shop, the powder eyeliners. We're going to use Velvet. Okay, there we go, which is a warm matte brown. And we're going to use Pashmina, which we used last week. Pashmina is a, let me get another bit on there so you can really see it, is a beige shimmer. Okay, and on the equivalent of Bliss, only in the warm side, so for you warm skin beauties. So these are the three eyeshadow colors we're going to be using. We are also going to be using Burnt Apricot, and you know our products are multitasking. Let's see if I can swatch this as well. I actually have it on my lips. You know our products are multitasking, so I have this on as lips right now and as cheek color, along with, I'm gonna do another swatch. If you're here, please say hello, let me know how you're enjoying your, are you playing with your makeup? That's what I wanna know. Are you experimenting? Apricot Babe cheek color. I have that on top of Burnt Apricot because when you get a cream and a powder together, they hold really well, and it's a nice developed look, meaning it's a little more, has more depth. I like that better, has more depth. So those are our colors we're working with today, and we'll just go right to it. So first thing is we want to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to use our new one. And it's, there we go, get rid of that. And I'm going to dip it very similar. Oh, hi B, I think I'm here. Hello beautiful, you are here. Hi B, it's nice to see you. This is great. I think you're gonna like this. And even, because you do have some warmth. We know you're in there. You're all over the place with your coloring. You can do so many things, B. Okay, Pashmina, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm going to dip it into Pashmina. And just like we did last week, I am going to put it from, and I'll interrupt myself, I should say. I do have eyeshadow primer on and concealer. So we're gonna get right to the eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it all over from base of eyelashes to right under the brow. Just a light coating of that all the way. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. Little bit on there, not too much. Now you can use a matte color instead of a shimmer. I got more on that side than I did on the other, so I'm gonna balance it out a little. What was I saying? So you can use Simple Basics. That would be a good warm, basic matte color to use, a beige. And I'm going to take my dedicated fluffy angled brush, the fluffy brush, this is on the website, and I'm going to just blend some of this off because I got a little too much on that side. Okay, now I'm going to take Velvet, which is our matte warm brown, and I'm going to put that on my lid, on the movable part of the eyelid. I'm going to take my dedicated eye shading brush for dark colors. I'm going to dip it in to Velvet, and I'm going to put it on the movable part of the eye. Now, you could also use this in the crease. I tried that. I was playing with the makeup looks, and I liked it for now. What we have is we're not going a lot of places right now, so I'm keeping everything really simple. So the simpler look was just applying the Velvet on the movable part of the eyelid, as opposed to putting in the crease. The crease bring more drama. So think about what you're looking for. More drama, then go in the crease with the darker color. Today, I'm going right on the eyelid. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna get more Velvet, applying it on my dedicated eye shading brush for darker colors, and I'm going to apply right there what I like to call the movable part of the eyelid. And I've just placed it. You know, I can pat, I can window wiper. Okay, we can blend later. Okay. Now I'm going to take, oh no, wait, I'm going to go back up. I'm going to take my smudge brush, which I like to do eyelining underneath the eye. And I'm going to put a little bit of, we're going to go some under the eye, but we're going to do some layering for more depth. So I'm going to go back to Pashmina, and I'm going to go right under the eye, all the way to the inner corner. Just brings a little bit of, and you can do this with a matte as well, brightens up the eye, opens up the eye. Now the next color I'm going to use, I'm going to take a little bit of the velvet, the same that's on the lid, and a little bit on the same brush, and I'm going to bring that under the eye. Just a touch. Because the next thing we're going to use is the teal eyeliner. Okay? But this just brings depth. Can you just use one? Can you just use teal? Sure. Can you just use the velvet? Sure. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the angled fine liner brush, and I'm going to dip that a little bit more into the velvet, which is the matte brown, and add a little bit more. It's still subtle. There, but I wanted more of a line. Okay. And remember, we always bring colors up. We don't want anything falling down. Okay, simple look. Could you stop here? A little mascara, a little brow? Absolutely. But let's go use teal. This you're going to love. So I'm going to take this new brush, this new fine angled brush, and I'm going to put it into teal, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to bring it underneath. Okay, could also use the fine angled brush, but I want to play with this new brush, so let's do that. Okay, and I'm just bringing it up, and now I can go a little bit on the top corner. Let's do that. Could I make it more dramatic and really do that triangle on the corner here? I could, but because everything is simpler right now, I'm just gonna keep it to this. Now I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we're gonna do some blending. And then we're gonna do the blush and the lip color. Okay, so teal. These can also be used wet, which gives much more impact and even more lasting power, which you don't really need more lasting power, but it would give you that. Okay. I'm gonna look to see that it's balanced. I think I need more of a cat eye here, or less over here. I think I'll just go for more. Bringing it up. Okay. All right. That's really the look. Then what you just need, find my dedicated blending brush, is blending. Okay? Just blending it all and fixing any areas that you might have missed or don't have balance. I am gonna now just, fingers are always great tools for smudging, always lifting up. And there we go. Simple look. All right, but fun. Gotta experiment with the mineral eyeliners. Those are really fun, and different colors. Again, instead of the shimmer, you could do a full matte eye look, or you could add a little, keep the shimmer like I did for a little fun pop. Now, let's do, I already have a little blush on, but I'm gonna show you a little bit more. I love the Burnt Caramel, the 2-in-1 cream crayons, because they actually could be called 3-in-1. I could have actually included this in our eye look, but today I'm just gonna put a little on my finger and mirror. I'm going to apply that. Now I'm putting it on top of a few layers of powder, but it's still working, okay? So as your cream powder base, all right, you'd want to put this underneath the powder typically, but there's no hard and fast rules. I'll do it on the other side, okay? And then what I have done is I have taken my blush brush, the Perfect Blush Brush, dipped it into Apricot Babe. Okay. Let me also show you Teal, because that is such a striking color. Teal is a universal color, means most everybody can wear it and look fantastic in it. All right, I'm going to apply Apricot Babe sort of on the apples of my cheek where I smile, blending it back. And then for a final touch, oh, wait, let me put a little bit more of burnt apricot on here on my lips. I already have some on. It's a beautiful look with all these colors. They blend really well together, and the teal makes everything pop. I wanted to give a final polish with silk finish, which for me I love because it gives a bit of glow, all right? So I'm gonna start here, go on top of where I put the blush, forehead. You can go all over. There we go. And there you have it. I would love it if you let me know what questions you have about wearing these colors together or any colors that you have at home, and give me a hashtag replay if you are watching this on a replay. Any questions that you have, you can pop into the comments. I like to circle back and answer later. If you tag me, I'll be sure to see it for sure. And that's what I have for you. I will be back again next week. And in fact, I hope that you will join Linda Walden and I tomorrow at 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We are going to do, not here on Facebook though, it's a Zoom link. I will actually put that in the comments above. We are doing a new series called Self-Care at Home, and we're going to be talking about DIY nails, which I need to DIY real soon, and how to dress yourself at home with a little bit of jewelry, maybe just some earrings, a nice necklace, just something to keep yourself feeling good, because there is a science behind when you feel good, when you look good, when you feel like you look good. I need to figure out how to word this. You feel better about everything, and let's make that happen. And B, you're saying you're wearing your apricot shirt today and it's on your palette but not sure about it. Oh, well, I would love to see that. Send a photo. And maybe it would go with apricot. I'm not sure if B, you have a deep complexion, so I'm not sure if you can wear the burnt apricot lip color, but definitely the teal mineral eyeliner would be beautiful on you. Just a dab, a little dab to it. All right, I will see you soon. Let me know what questions you have, and I'm so glad you were here with me.